Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to see about IAM role demo. Basically, this will be a complete demo. There will be no theory. We are going to deep down about IAM role. In that, we are going to access S3 bucket, okay, and IAM details, okay. And before starting, if you are new to this channel, please you can follow me on my LinkedIn. You can check my portfolio rakeshvan.in. You can check out my GitHub and follow me there as well. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and show some support. Let's get back to our topic. So here is my AWS. Okay, let me we are going to do from scratch everything. Okay, so first let me show you what we are going to do. Basically, we have our EC2 instance. Okay, so basically IAM role, what it does, it will make a request on your behalf to other AWS services basically. So you have a EC2 instance. Now EC2 instance can get the data from your S3 bucket, okay? List of all the buckets and all, and IAM list and all. So we are going to take a two example of this S3 and IAM. So let's get back. So first we need to create our EC2. Okay, let's we'll create EC2. Okay, as of okay, EC2, and here we will give my web server, and we are going to use the Amazon Linux because in Amazon Linux you will get the pre-installed CLI, okay, AWS CLI, or if you are using any other operating system, then you need to install it. Okay, sometimes you will get, but if you are going to use Ubuntu, then you need to install AWS CLI. It's very easy. Okay, if you go to AWS CLI install, then you will get the command. Okay, for the Linux you can check. Okay, here is a Linux. Just you need to run few commands and then it will be up and running. Then AWS Linux, go with the default one. There is no need for the PN. There is no need for anything. Keep here. Go with the security group. Allow SSH. That's fine. Let's launch our EC2 instance. Okay. As of now, in my IAM, let me go to the user. One user is there. That is Terraform user. Okay. We have a one user, and in S3 there is nothing is there. Okay, so what we will do first, now our EC2 is up and running. Okay, we'll connect first, and first we'll try, okay, without adding IAM user. So IAM role, sorry, IAM role, here we have IAM role. As of now we have a three, like sometimes service create the IAM role by default. Okay, you can create IAM role manually. Okay, as of now anything related to S3 IAM, nothing is there in our IAM role. Okay, we will create, and here is our, we will connect it. Yeah, now we are into the our web server. Let me go to the sudo -i. Okay, now we are the root user, and then AWS S3 NLI. Okay, ls. Okay, so when you do this command, what we will get, unable to locate the credential, you can config credential by running AWS login. So basically what it's saying, there is two way to authenticate the user. Okay, so one is you can give AWS config, then you need to give a username, like secret, and access ID and the secret, which is not recommended if you're using the EC2. Okay, basically if anyone log in and get the credential, then do whatever they want to do. So for that you can create a role and assign that role to a particular EC2 instance. That's what our diagram is basically saying. Create the IAM role here. So basically this one will be uh, S3 role. Okay, S3 role, and this will be IAM role. Okay, IAM role, IAM role. Okay, so we will create the IAM role and will attach to this IAM role to our EC2 instance. Okay, yes, to our EC2 instance, and same with the IAM role as well. Okay, we will attach it. Okay, mm, okay. So as of now we are not getting any success. Okay, you can see here we need to configure it. So what we will do, we are going to create an IAM role. Okay, here is our IAM role, create role, go with the AWS services. That now we have a total 5, but we are going with the AWS services only. And you can choose the EC2. Okay, go with the EC2 by default. Okay, now search here S3. Okay, so in S3 we have a multiple options. Amazon S3 full access, which we are not going to give because we are following least privilege access. Okay, this is a very good concept, like very important concept in cloud computing. Okay, with we want only read only. Okay, so we'll go with Amazon S3 read only access. Okay, so that EC2 can read the bucket list. Okay, we'll give here S3 row. You can if you want to know about more this how you can create all this, check my previous videos. Okay, there I have explained it properly. Create role. Now our role is created. Okay, now go back to our EC2 instance. Okay, go to action, then go to security, modify IAM role. Okay, you can add this IAM role while creating our EC2 instance also. I will show you. Okay, no worries. So drop down here. Okay, if you refresh it, you will get the option S3 role, update IAM role. Okay, now it's there. Now there is one our EC2 instance. Now we will go back and we'll try the same command this time. Okay, we didn't get any errors this time. Okay, why? Because in our S3 nothing is there. So what we will do, we'll create a bucket. Okay, this is demo role. Okay, so to create a bucket you can't use the capital letter. Basically it should be small. Demo role S3 Rakesh. Okay. Go with the default, whatever the default setting is there as of now. Create a bucket. Now our bucket is there. Okay. We'll create one more bucket. Okay. Demo role Rakesh 2. This time we'll get the bucket flow. Okay. Role demo. Go with the existing one. Just create bucket. Okay. As of now we have a 2 bucket in our S3. Okay. Let's run the same command, and this time we are able to get the bucket list. Okay, we have created 2 buckets and we are getting this bucket. Now we will create one more role. Okay, which is IAM role. EC2, go with the select AWS services, EC2. Next, now search here IAM, and IAM we want read only access. Okay, and we have IAM full access. Yeah, IAM read only access, and we'll create next. We'll give IAM IAM role. Okay, just hit create. Okay, creating role. Go with the EC2 instance. Go inside your instance. Okay, click on action. Go to security group and modify IAM. Okay, now create a IAM. Select this IAM. Okay, this IAM. You can attach the same role, like you can create a one role with a multiple policies. Okay, basically as of now we'll go the IAM role. Okay, update IAM role. Now we will search basically what is the command. Let me zoom it. AWS IAM list. Hope it works. No. AWS IAM list users. IAM list users. Okay, yeah, you can see here user, username, user ID, air and created it, and password use. So basically we get the IAM user. Like if you have a multiple users, then you will get the array of objects. Okay, we have an array and that will get the object. Okay, Terraform username you can verify from here. Okay, Terraform user. Okay, now you got the demo. Okay, how you can create the role. So we'll get back to our diagram. We create the S3 role, we create the IAM role which is attached to our EC2 instance. From EC2 instance we get the details from S3 and for IAM. So that's what the purpose of role. Without giving the credential, you can get the access from the multiple, like service to service, you can make a call basically. So for that, S3 is very useful. Okay, you can do it. So that's all for today. We'll see other topics in upcoming videos. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and you can follow me anywhere. Okay, you can check out my portfolio as well. Recently, I will add the infographic there. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.